next one, location for candle lights. And actually, I saw that many people are not careful with this thing about location. So they put the lights like too far away to derive any benefit. So let's see. The best practice for the to light the Shabbos candles at the table where the meal will be eaten. This enhances the Kovod Shabbos and Oneg Shabbos. So exactly at the table. Of course, if you have a small kids and they're going to bump into the table and the candles are going to fall, that don't do that, right? I mean, if they're little grown up and they behave, they don't fight at the table, then you can do it. So you have to assess the situation, I guess, right? But the proper, of course, you eat and you enjoy these lights right in front of you. This enhances the Kovod Shabbos and the Oneg Shabbos. Some are accustomed to light the candles at the Shabbos table itself, on the Shabbos table itself, while other lights on the side, adjacent to the table. And that's what we say, what we do, like next to the Shabbos table, right, the dinner table, we have the countertop, right, very close, and we light there. So since it's like a stationary, so even so somebody bumps into it, nothing is going to happen. So that's more safe, right? And it's still very close to the table, so you can derive some benefit, and then see it and enjoy it. Okay. So, okay. However, since there is a additional reason for of sholom bayis, one should ensure that there is a light in every area in a house where it is the need will be need for Shabbos. For this is sufficient to rely on. This is sufficient to rely on electricity. One did not light candles in those areas. So in olden days, so people would light these candles everywhere. So you need, for example, you need a light in your bedroom, right? You need after the Shabbos meal, you need to change. You need light. So people would light the candles there also. And today we rely, of course, on electricity more. So this lighting of the candles, for sholom bayis reason, so actually extends to all of the other lights that we turn on. For example, you live the life in a bathroom, on a hallway, in a baby's room if you need it, or in all of the areas that you need the light, right? Or whatever you need. You need in the living room, let's say, because in the morning you're going to prepare for the shul and stuff like that, or whatever you need. So you just leave the electric light.